Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. I already shown you how to draw the graph. That means using the matplotlib, how to draw the graph of those numpy arrays. That means by using that line space, we draw some graph in order to see what is this array and all. So in mobile also you can draw the graph, but in Termax it is not possible to that means possible for me to install that matplot package. So today I'm introducing the another app that you can make utilize of all these things. That means you can even draw the graph and numpy, those things are we can use, and even the previous things what we learned, everything can be done here. Why I told the Termax means it will this Termax apps it will give such environment like Linux. There are lots of many apps are there, but in Termax we can do lots of other things also. So I suggested the Termax, but now the plotting and all some graphical things that is not easily possible in Termax. So we are switching to the another app. I'm going to show that in mobile how we can plot the graph and all. So for that just go to Play Store and type for Pydroid. Okay, just type Pydroid, Pydroid, and you will see these things. Pydroid 3 IDE for Python. Just click on it. Okay, then here just click on this IIEC. Okay, then you will get the publications of all the app under this IIEC, and you need to install this IDE for Python, and as well as this one, Python repository plugin, and even Python permission plugin. These three you need to install. Okay, then after the installation of these three apps, here you can see those three apps are there: Python Pydroid 3, Pydroid permission, and Pydroid repository plugins. You need to just open this Pydroid 3. Okay, then here this is the window where we need to write the program, and here you have the just run button. Okay, from this we can run that, and here we need to write. It will give us in color also, and even we have those one-to-one. That means here it is like writing all the programs and running, but here we can get even interpreter. That means one-to-one interactions like this Python interpreter. But in order to plot the graph and all, the one thing is that you need to write the program here and you need to run. Okay, but here we have terminal and interpreter. It is like the Termax. Okay, like terminal, but it is it has some less features, but when we compare to that Termax, but here you can do Python and all. Yeah, here also you can do Python, but it is just for the basic things. That means if we go to plot, if we are going to plot the graph in this terminal, then we cannot able to see the graph. So for graph and all, you just have to write here the program, and you just need to run this. But before that, if I write import numpy, it will give us the error because there is no module numpy. It don't have inbuilt, so we need to install that. Just click here. That means click on this left side option and go to pip. Here you can see that pip is that. Go to this pip, and here you need to go to quick install. Okay, here it is that quick install. Go to quick install, and here there are lots of things are there, but here for these three things, OpenCV, Python, for these things you need to pay, but here for numpy and matplot, yeah, it is free. Here you can see the numpy and matplot. You need to just click on this numpy install, and it will going to install that. Okay, it is complete. It will go the message as complete. It takes some time depending upon the internet, and matplotlib, even minutes to install this. Click on the install, and yeah, it will going to install, but it takes some time. I already installed, that's why it is showing like this. Okay, then what do we need to do means go here. That means go to the new file. Even you can save this file also, and here just write import the same program that we tried with the line space, and in order to plot that graph, we will check whether it is possible to plot in Android or not. So import numpy, import numpy as np, and I am even import import matplot matplotlib dot pyplot. dot pyplot as pyplot as plt. Okay, then what I need to do, I need to define my y and x points. Y equals to and p dot zeros, or we can take even ones. Okay, now we will take ones, and p dot ones, and here I am considering the 8 points. Okay, that means 8 points we need to plot. So np dot ones of 8, and when we talk about this keyboard, in this keyboard there is no much options available. So you can just go to Play Store and just type for okay, just type for any keyboard with arrow mark. Just type like a keyboard with arrow mark, arrow keys, keyboard with arrow keys. Then you will find lots of keyboards. I prefer this Cycus keyboard, okay, because it is gives some nice interference. You can see that here in the pictures that will come. Yeah, here you can see, here we have even the arrow keys and all. So okay, I'm going to install this. I already installed this. You just click open, and here in setting you need to just select this keyboard mode. Okay, here in keyboard mode it is the default, it will going to give 4-row gingerbread layout something. You need to just change that to full 5-row layout. Okay, full 5-row layout, remember this. Then even you have to go here, enable keyboard, and here you need to enable that. I already enabled. Here you can see yeah, hackers bow keyboard, it is enabled. Okay, you need to just enable this for the first time. Then it will going to gives us the keyboard. Okay, when you are typing here, you just click on this here. Okay, just click on this keyboard, and here you can just change that keyboard to, yeah, now you can see we get even the arrow keys, and also we can write this coding say in better way. Okay, then what I have to y equals to np dot ones of 0, then x equals to, yeah, x where is that, yeah, x equals to np dot lin line space. Okay, np dot linspa. Okay, lin, and to delete this, yeah, linspaca. Okay, np dot line space, but now it is and it takes some time because it's small keyboard, so I'm going to change that. Okay, np dot line space, and here from 0 to 10, and it has to take okay, 8. We took the 8 points. Okay, np dot line space, yeah, it's correct. Then we need to okay, then what, plot plt, plot dot plot, it is a function, plot dot plot, and here I need to pass the x comma y. Okay, x comma y comma and even okay, I'm going to use this o. Okay, o, because it is like small dotted circles. O means, okay, then that I already shared one file where the styles and all is there. Okay, then I think it is visible. Yeah, then I need to even set the limit, plot dot y limit, that is from we need to give that in that means list. So set, okay, like this list. Okay, then here I'm going to give this as minus 0.5 to 2. Yeah, minus 0.5 to 2. Okay, yeah, now I need to just use plot dot show, because we already plotted. Now I need to use this plot dot show. Now we will run this, and we will see whether we'll get the graph or not. Yeah, we got the graph, same as PC. You can see that at 1, yeah, at 1 we got this, and yeah, here we can even get the x and the y values. If you want to, if you want these points x and y, just click on that point, you'll get. Okay, just click on this point, you'll get that values. I think you've understand how we can, yeah, here you can see, and here we have some more options in order to save that. Okay, here we can even save that. Here you can see file name, yeah, it is asking the saving that file. Here we can even save that. If we just click on save, yeah, it will going to save in your device storage. So in mobile also you can use the matplot lib by using this PyDroid. I tried with some other apps, but it is not properly installed, so this one we can use to learn. This here numpy also working, and even we have some of the libraries like if I go to pip, yeah, here you can see keras, jupyter, even you can use the jupyter notebook, for example. Okay, I'm going to use this jupyter now. That will going to open in chrome. Okay, it is collecting jupyter. We already saw that jupyter notebook, but even in mobile you can use that jupyter notebook. Now I'm going to show how you can run this Jupyter notebook. It is similar to the computer, but a little bit change. We will see that, yeah, it is going to download now. Jupyter console, yeah, collecting notebook, and it is even not more in size. It is less in size when we compare to the computer things. So we'll see that how we can run this Jupyter in Android. Okay, it is collecting, yeah, it's downloading. It's 9.7 MB. Okay, after this download we'll see whether we can able to install the Jupyter or not. I think you've understand about how to draw the matplot using that means PyDroid. You can try with the other apps too. Yeah, it is collecting. We'll wait for some time. Okay, here you can see it is downloading so many files. Yeah, here you can see some tornado and Jupyter clients, NB formats, lots of things are downloading. Here you can see collecting, what's that, pygments, collecting QtPy. Okay, QtPy core, it's collecting everything. Toolkit, I think it will take some time because lots of libraries and things have to be downloaded. We will see how much memory it will take and how much time it will going to take. We'll wait some time. We'll see. And it successfully collected all the packages. Now it is going to install those things. It does not take much time. It will take depending upon the internet speed, hardly it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes it will going to take. And now you can see it is going to, yeah, it shows complete. Okay, it shows complete. Yeah, completed. But we need to on that Jupyter. That means for that we will go to terminal and we will check how to. If I just type Jupyter, Jupyt, Jupyter. Yeah, no, not like this. I will check. Yeah, as I already told, you just go to terminal. There we just write some spelling mistake. That's why it's like that. Yeah, go to terminal and here make sure that you are in this path. It will automatically gives a simulated 0. And I already shown how to install that Jupyter. Yeah, previous things. That means click on that Jupyter and that one. And here you just need to type Jupyter, Jupyter. Okay, previous time we just instead of JUPY I just typed I because that's wrong. Okay, Jupyter and one put on hyphen and just type notebook, NOTEBOOK. Okay, make sure that you type properly JUPYTER NOTEBOOK, then click enter. Then okay, take some time and it will ask you to open localhost link with Chrome. Okay, if it doesn't ask in your mobile, then what you have to do means here you are seeing something like okay, 116.45.01 something, this one. That means the some IP address you are going to see here, 16.45 16 colon 45 colon 01 dot 088. You need to just remember this, or you need to just copy it. Don't close this terminal, okay? Just switch the app, okay? Don't close this, or else just click on just once, and here you will going to see the exactly Jupyter, okay? Here you can see same as Jupyter. Here you have even the option to here you can see this is your internal storage, and you can even create the folder here. It's like, okay, this is your internal storage, and here if I want to yeah, I think yeah, my programs, this my already created, and I'm going to new, and here you can see Python 3 new. I'm going to create the Python 3, and it takes some time. Yeah, here you can see same as this one. We can add even like code or whatever things, code, markdown, RB, and heading. And here you can, for example, I'm going to print and here I'm going to print this as hi. Yeah, now you can see if I click on this run, here is one running icon, or you can just click here. Okay, I'm going to run this. Yeah, yeah, here you can see it is get run, and I need to add another column. Means I just need to click here this plus. Okay, just click on this plus, and here you can get the another column like this. You can, I think here I can now import import numpy, import numpy as np. We'll check whether it is work or it will give us the error. Yeah, I think, yeah, I click it 2 times. Yeah, it is now successfully imported. We are not getting any errors, and even I'm going to import 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 matplot lib matplotlib dot pyplot as plot. Then I'm going to run this. Import matplotlib.pyplot syntax. What's that? Assembly import matplot something syntax error it is giving. We'll check that. import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Invalid syntax. I think some space or something issues there. I will check that. Okay, I'm going to run this. Yeah, now it's working fine. I think some space issue, due to some space issues, it is gives us the error. Now we can even write whatever the things that I think I can able to no, if I go here back, then it will going to close that. So I think you understand now what to write next and all. We can even write anything in this Jupyter notebook. Yeah, it is similar to the computer's Jupyter notebook. Okay, then even you can run, and we can even this go to menu and insert cell, kernel, restart the kernel. Everything is possible, and you can save that also. Yeah, here you can see we can save that. Yeah, it is saved now. That you can go to your internal storage. There you can find that file. Yeah, I think it's understand to you. Okay, otherwise if directly it will not gives us the Chrome, then what you have to do means you need to just copy this one. Okay, copy we will copy this, and we'll see. I'm going to select text, and here, okay, I'm selecting that. Okay, where select text, I think I need to just click this select text. No, it is not possible to select the text like this, but we will run this by using you just need to remember this. Okay, 1645010888. We will check 1645. We'll just type directly. Okay, here you can see that yeah, not here, it is my programs. Yeah, here I'm going to 16 and here 16. Okay, 164501 1645 and 01. I think now it will not open because already one is opened. So dot 088. We'll check dot 088. Yeah, it will take the Google search. It's not like this. Okay, we will see 16088, and okay, we will run it once again. We'll see. Now I'm going to close these things, these older ones. We'll go to run this once again, and we will check the IP address. That means what it is going to open. So I'm going to terminal, and here Jupyter, JUPYTER, and NOT notebook, NOTEBO. Okay. We'll check what it is going to open now. Okay. Yeah, I just opened with the Chrome. Here you can see localhost 8888 bar 3. Okay, I think we can even copy this, just copy this, and we'll check all the times it will going to remain same or not. Yeah, now if it is not asked, in the sense if it is not asked, then yeah, here you get the URL. Yeah, I just not observed that. Here you can see it is showing to access the notebook, open this file in a browser. Okay, we need to open this. We can copy this, select text is not possible here. Yeah, you can even select text. You can see here, you can even select the text. Okay, that also possible. Or we can just remember this one, HTTP 127.0, this one. We need to just copy this, select text, and I'm going to, I just missed the H, that's okay. Yeah, 4. Now I think I can copy this, or yeah, it is now copied, and here and to type H, because yeah, now if I click the enter, yeah, I'm going to host this Jupyter. I think you've understand how to run this Jupyter in Android. Thank you.